This is a 2021 Honda Civic Sport Touring with the 1.5 four-cylinder turbo engine. We just installed an axle back exhaust system with the Magnaflow muffler out to split dual burnt tip, as you can see. Left it all stock up off the turbo, but did remove the factory resonator. Just give it a little rumble to it. Shouldn't be too loud, like straight pipes. Just got a nice clean tone to it. Let's see what it sounds like. Just a little smooth tone, nothing too crazy loud. What the customer wanted.